How to turn on alerts on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on alerts on your Facebook application. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook, and here click on the setting icon beside the search icon, and now click on password and security, which is the second option, and click on check your important security settings, and here click on turn on login alerts, and this is it. When you turn on alerts, will will let you know if someone log into your account from a place we don't recognize. Will tell you which device was used and where it's located. You can turn on Facebook or email wherever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.